Okay, Joshua is going to demonstrate how to use a foam roller. So sit down on the foam roller, facing, like kind of get your butt right to the edge and kind of scoot forward. And as you lie down, you want to lie right down along the middle of your spine, slowly. Make sure you're balanced. If your head kind of hangs off the edge, scoot your butt down, like that. Kind of lift your butt up and kind of like tuck your, like if you were a dog, you would tuck your tail between your legs, so kind of curl your butt and then slowly put it down. So you're stretched out as long as you can possibly be from tailbone to the tip of your head on that. So your lower back should be flat when you're done. Meaning that right in here shouldn't be arching. It should be perfectly flat. Your hips are kind of tucked underneath you. Okay? So you just kind of want to lie relaxing, looking up to the ceiling. Your feet are shoulder width apart, so you have a nice balance. And you lift your arms up towards the ceiling. And what that does is it just opens your shoulder blades. And you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades together, kind of pinching the muscle between the shoulder blades and the foam roller as you come down. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You can just keep doing it up and down, squeezing it. It feels like a massage between your shoulder blades, honestly. And like I like to reach over my head too, like, and then squeeze your shoulder blades together as you come down to the sides, like you do a lat pull down. Squeeze. Kind of feels good. Try to keep your lower back flat as you do this. Really squeeze. Sometimes I like to kind of squeeze my shoulder blades together and go side to side, almost like I'm shaking my upper body, but my lower body stays still. Yeah, like that. Whatever feels good. Like, sometimes I'll go like up and down like this. Oh. Like that. Yeah. Kind of like do one of these things. Yeah, like that. It feels good, right? It really feels good. And what it does is it loosens up the muscles along your shoulder blades to kind of relax it. So that's how to just relax all the muscles, and then when you're done, you just lie with your hands over your head. Now this feels uncomfortable for a lot of people because they're used to hunching, but the more you can lie with your hands extended over your head, it opens up that this blood flow in here in your shoulders, and it actually helps stretch the tendons out in your chest. Try not to hook your hands. There you go, I know. Maybe just your fingers. But you're stretching out in here, and that way it opens up all the lymphatic system, so there's drainage in your chest, but also helps kind of increase range of motion, and it feels awesome. Yay, Josh loves it. You want to sit here for a few minutes, and then when you're done, you're going to put your hands down to the floor, down on your sides, and you're just going to take some deep breaths in and out, nice and slow. Every time you exhale, think of just trying to relax every muscle in your body, and you want to lie on this for a minimum of at least 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you lie on it, the better you'll feel. And when you are ready to come off it, all you would do is simply roll off to one side and push out the side and lay in the same exact position. Your feet are still flat on the floor, shoulder width apart, and you should have a significant flattening in your spinal column. Your shoulder blades should kind of feel like flat. Your lower back should feel completely flat. And how do you feel? Flat. And relaxed. And awesome. So that's one exercise.